Welcome back to English with Emran. Today, we're tackling a big challenge understanding fast native English speakers. If you feel lost when people talk quickly, you're not alone. Listening is tough, but with the right steps, it becomes much easier and even fun. The secret isn't just listening more, but listening smarter. I'll show you a step-by-step guide to transform your listening skills, especially if you're a beginner. Grab a notebook. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with slow, clear English. Jumping into fast movies or podcasts is like running before you can walk. It leads to frustration. Begin with materials made for learners like BBC Learning English or elo.org, where speakers talk clearly and at a manageable pace. Find short clips 1 to 3 minutes long for focused practice. Listen to each clip 2 or 3 times, each with a different goal. First, just get the main idea. Don't worry about every word. Second, listen for details and catch words you missed. Pause and replay tricky parts if needed. Third, try shadowing. Repeat what you hear, mimicking pronunciation and rhythm. This connects your listening and speaking skills. Recap. Choose short, clear content, listen multiple times, and use each listen for a different purpose. This builds your confidence and trains your ear much faster than jumping into difficult material. Build your skills step by step and you'll soon understand more than you think. Remember, it's not cheating, it's smart learning. Celebrate small wins after each session. Make this a habit and you'll see real progress. Don't rush. Master the basics first. With this approach, you'll be ready for real conversations. Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Use subtitles, but use them wisely. Subtitles are like training wheels. They help at first, but you want to ride without them eventually. Start by watching a short video with English subtitles on. This helps you connect spoken and written words and catch fast or unclear phrases. Don't just read. Notice how words are pronounced and linked together. Next, watch the same clip again, but turn subtitles off. See how much you understand without the visual aid. If you miss something, replay that part a few times before turning subtitles back on. While watching with subtitles, write down new words or phrases in context. This builds your vocabulary and helps you remember how words are used. By switching between subtitles on and off, you train your ear and boost your confidence. Subtitles are a tool, not a crutch. Use them to build independence. Make this a regular part of your practice. Challenge yourself to rely less on subtitles over time. You'll be surprised how quickly your listening improves. Ready for the next technique? Let's keep going. Step 3. Shadowing. One of the best ways to improve listening and speaking together. Shadowing means listening to audio and repeating what you hear, almost immediately. Choose a short, clear audio clip. 15 to 30 seconds is perfect. Play a phrase, then repeat it, copying the speaker's rhythm, intonation, and emotion. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on the flow and melody of the language. As you get better, try to reduce the pause between the speaker and your repetition. This exercise connects your ear and mouth, helping you sound more natural. It's a workout for your language skills, pronunciation, fluency, and listening all at once. Try shadowing for 5 minutes a day, anywhere, while walking, cooking, or in your room. Don't be shy. Just have fun and play with the sounds. Shadowing makes passive listening active and powerful. Over time, you'll notice your pronunciation and understanding improve. Start simple, then challenge yourself with longer or faster clips. Make shadowing a habit in your routine. It's a game changer for your English. Give it a try today. On to the next step. Step 4. Build your vocabulary by topic. Focus on words and phrases you'll actually use, like travel, food, or shopping. Pick a topic you need or enjoy, and learn 10-20 key words and phrases. For example, if you're traveling, learn words like passport, boarding pass, and customs. Then find listening materials on that topic, travel vlogs, podcasts, or sample dialogues. You'll start to recognize words in context, making listening much easier. This targeted approach turns listening into a fun, predictable game. Your brain uses known words as anchors to understand more. Each topic you master boosts your confidence in real-life situations. Choose a new topic each week and repeat the process. Test your knowledge with short videos or audio clips. This method makes learning practical and rewarding. Ready for the next habit? Step 5. Make listening a daily habit. Consistency beats cramming. 15 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Short, regular practice helps your brain build strong language connections. Fit English listening into your daily routine while commuting, cooking, or eating breakfast. Use podcasts, audiobooks, or YouTube videos you enjoy. When you like the content, practice feels effortless. Don't stress about understanding everything, just let English become part of your environment. passive listening still tunes your ear to the language's rhythm and sounds. Identify 1 or 2 moments in your day for English listening. Set a reminder if you need to, and commit for a week. By the end, you'll notice English feels less foreign. Make listening as normal as brushing your teeth. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress. Consistency is your superpower. Keep it up, and you'll see real results. Let's move to the final step. You're almost there. Ready for the last tip? Step 6. Train your ear with different accents. English is spoken worldwide, with countless accents, not just American or British. If you only listen to one accent, you'll struggle in real conversations. Expose yourself to a variety: Australian, Indian, Scottish, Nigerian, and more. Use YouTube to find speakers from different countries, news, vlogs, or interviews. Focus on a new accent each week. Start with short clips and use subtitles if needed. Notice the unique rhythm and melody of each accent. Your brain will adapt with practice. This skill makes you a confident global communicator. Don't get discouraged. Variety is key. Embrace the challenge and enjoy learning about new cultures. The more accents you hear, the easier English becomes. Step out of your comfort zone and future-proof your listening skills. That's it. 6 practical steps to transform your English listening. Start with one step, master it, then move to the next. Celebrate every small win. Each one brings you closer to fluency. You have the tools, now it's time to use them. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Subscribe to English with Emran for more tips every week. Happy listening!